Hallway light. It's one of the new songs that's going to be on the next album. It's about being in a relationship where they think they can turn you on and off like a hallway light.
Don't we know that?
Not gonna have it, right?
Yeah, they think so.
Right.
Oh, you guys.
I guess you're in a good spot.
Can we follow you?
Into the dark?
No, wherever you play.
Is that a song?
Wherever you play. You guys, we just.
That is a song.
You want some groupies?
Absolutely. Yes, we're on MySpace. We have cards with our MySpace, and our CD has a whole schedule on it. MySpace has a schedule on it. CDs don't have schedules. CDs don't have schedules.
Okay, thank you.
There you go.
Where are you leaving sign?
We can do that. We'd be glad to sign CDs and shirts and everything. Well, yeah.
It's Corona? Kenny!
He weren't there.
I'm Kenny!
You guys here? I'm not going to repeat it.
Kenny!
Let's go hallway light. It's a red light. Yeah, getting a sunburn.
I said Corona.
Put the blame all on me, 'cause when you called I came running, without a question or a doubt. No, I just wanted to see you. You're the type that never wants to be alone. I'm the type that never seems to want to let go. So of course when you say you're in town, would it be okay if I came around? I reply, I'll see your shining face as soon as you change your selfish ways. You wanna see me for me for longer than one evening. I am not your hallway light to turn off and turn on whenever you like. 11 o'clock on a Friday night, and you call me for a ride. I know it's only because wherever you are, there is no one by your side. I imagine me waiting by the phone. I can't wait till you call again so I can let you know. Change your selfish ways. You wanna see me for me for longer than one evening. I am not your hallway light to turn off and turn on whenever you like. You come and go whenever you see fit, but I got a little problem with you treating my heart like this. Your shining face as soon as you change your selfish ways. And you wanna see me for me for longer than one evening. I am whenever you like, whenever you like. The blame